How to install slime tube sealant into scooter tire. Slime tube sealant. No more flats. Prevent and repair flat tires. Seals instantly for 2 years. Stop slow leak. Safe and easy. How much per tire? Bicycle 4 ounces. Stroller 4 ounces. Motorcycle 8 ounces. Wheelbarrow 8 ounces. It comes with a valve core remover tool in the cap. Remove the valve core. For 10-inch scooter tire, I squeeze in 4 ounces of slime. Reinstall the valve core. I use a valve extender to pump up the scooter tire. Pump it up to desired PSI. Spin the tire to evenly distribute the slime. Instantly seals tread area punctures up to 1/8 inch, 3 mm in size. Works continuously for 2 years. Compatible with Schrader and removable press-to valves. Works in extreme temperatures. Non-flammable and non-toxic. Cleans up with water.